guys, so today, welcome back to Animal Jam Part 2. So right now I'm actually playing the game, and I had to make another one because there's my dent. So let me just go up. There you go. You see that? I made all this. Want to see something cool, guys? And you can actually do this. Get it? The dogs. I got that. I got that, and what else? What else? Oh yeah, and I got that thing. And what else? What else? I think I can get a new one. Oh no, I can't. I don't have enough money. Dang it! I hate you. Wait. This is not. I don't want to join the club. I don't want to join the club. So, these are my friends. Let me go find one. Alright. Yep, I found him. And now I need to find if he. So tomorrow for part 3, let's see if he accepts. So I don't like the color, so I'm gonna customize them. Leave me in the comments if I should leave it like black or to do another color. For right now, I'll go with purple. Okay? Okay. So yeah, let's go to the ocean for a while. Yeah. You know, the usual. Guess who that hand is? So we are going to go. Oh, and I know where the arcade is. It's right here. It's there, right here. The thing that I hate about it is that trivia. So I'm going to do a little bit of trivia. Okay, joining. Okay, the Black Legend trick is also known for the spider trick. I'm not good at this. Oh wow, time's up already. Don't forget, members get weekly diamonds. Yeah, look at the sound. So right now I'm wearing microphones. Yeah. Look. Back to the gameplay. Let's go in here. Oh, I have to buy it. I want to go up here. I have been there, but they say you can have hot cocoa. Oh yeah, you do. Oh. It's too cold in here. It's a game. So, I'm going to choose this one. Green. Oh wait, I wanna. Yeah, and then that. Yeah. Enjoy! Heck yeah, I'm gonna enjoy that. So, well, let's go back to my dent. And then, I'm gonna end the gameplay here, guys. So, peace. Peace, guys. Peace. Peace, peace, peace.